Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric drum set, the Pyle PTEDK50 electric drum set. I'll take you through its features, pros, cons, and how it performs. Let's get started. Product features: MIDI support and USB connectivity. Plug the PTEDK50 into your PC or DAW effortlessly using USB. It works with MIDI console, no extra drivers needed, letting you record and expand your sound palette. Preloaded drum kits and songs. Choose from multiple built-in drum kits across styles. Use record mode to play back your sessions, track your performance, and improve your timing and groove. Built-in metronome for practice. Set precise tempo with the integrated metronome. Toggle it on or off to suit your needs. It's a great tool for newcomers building rhythm skills. Responsive dynamics on pads. The pads detect soft and hard hits accurately. Your touch intensity affects volume and tone, so your performance feels natural and expressive. Silent practice via headphones. Plug into the headphone jack or 3.5mm aux input and play quietly without disturbing others. Ideal for late nights or shared living environments. All-in-one complete kit. The PTEDK50 includes all necessary components: drums, cymbals, module, pads, so you don't have to buy extra gear separately. Perfect starter bundle. Compact and space-efficient setup. Its footprint is smaller than an acoustic kit. You can fit it in bedrooms or small studios. Easy to shift or store when not in use. Pros: USB and MIDI support let you record and interface with software. Variety of built-in drum kits and recording mode. Metronome helps beginners refine timing. Pads respond expressively to dynamics. Silent headphone mode for noise-free practice. All components included, full kit out of the box. Compact design that fits tighter spaces. Cons: module sound library is basic compared to Pro kits. No expansion of many modules beyond included presets. Latency may appear if using cheap USB interface. No onboard high-end effects like reverb or modulation. Upgrading later can require replacing the module. Final thoughts: if you're searching for an affordable, all-in-one electric drum set to start practicing, composing, and connecting to your computer, the Pyle PTEDK50 is a solid choice. It gives you the basics: USB, kits, metronome, silent practice mode, and dynamic pads. For serious drummers or studio pros, you'll eventually want more premium hardware and sound modules. But for home practice, hobbyists, or beginners, this is a great step into the world of electronic drums. Don't scroll away, you'll want this. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video so you never miss our next gadget spotlight.